Today we are looking at the range and the interquartile range of a set of data. Now the first thing to do is with all these questions is to make sure the data is in order from lowest to highest, okay, particularly for the interquartile range. If they're in a stem and leaf plot, they are already arranged lowest to highest. Now the range is very simple, it's just the highest score minus the lowest score. Don't even need to have them in range for that. 28 minus 18 equals 10. It's that simple, okay? Now the interquartile range is a little bit more complicated. First of all, we generally need to locate the median, okay? Now as you know, the median is the middle value. There are, in this particular case, from earlier work, we know that to locate its position, to locate its position you go n plus 1 divided by 2. Now n equals 7, so that's 7 plus 1 over 2 equals 8 over 2 equals 4. So it's the fourth number. Okay, you can see that fairly easily from here, but anyway, there it is there. 4 from either end, okay? So the median is 23. Now that's not part of our working out, but we need to locate that. Now I'll just put a big cross through that, okay? And we need now to look at Q1. Now Q1 means the first quarter, okay? So in fact it's like the median of the bottom half, or the middle value of the bottom half. There's our three numbers. Now it's fairly easy to locate in this situation. It's clearly number 20. But if you've got more data than this, you have to more or less do this median process, but just with half the data. Okay, so our Q1 equals 20. Up here, we're looking for Q3. This is our top half of our data. Okay, not counting the median. Top half of the data. Okay, we've got three values. The middle value is Q3, so that is 27. Okay, IQR, to work out the interquartile range, it is Q3 minus Q1. So in this case, it's 27 minus 20 equals 7. Okay. Now, I'll just do another example fairly quickly. And the reason I want to do a second one is because you'll notice here, or up above in the first one, n was 7, okay? There were 7 pieces of data. So that's an odd number of data, okay? The process is slightly different when there's an even number of data. So n equals 8 here. Now, we can see that the middle piece of data would be 8 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so that's going to be 4.5. So in other words, there's 2 middle. Okay, so if we want to work out the median, we take the average of those, and obviously it would be 13. Okay, now, but when we've got the data like this, we don't need that circle there, okay, we will split this in half, okay, and now we've got 4 numbers in the bottom half, okay. So Q1 is going to be the average of the middle 2, just like we'd find the median for an even set of data. Okay, so it's going to be 10 plus 12 divided by 2, and most people could soon work it out. That's 11. Over here we've got Q3, okay. There's our middle 2 pieces of data on the top half of the data. So that's going to be 16 plus 18, divided by 2, and that's going to be 17. So our IQR will be 17 minus 11 equals 6. Thank you.